So today we are going up to Beehive Basin, try to get some cinematic looking drone footage and bring the parents and dogs along, so we should see how that goes. Dad's got his rucksack and what do you call these things over here?
Trekking pole.
Trekking poles. What's up, Mom? And see if we can drag these dogs
Up the hill?
Up the hill, basically. So, think you can do it, buddy? Probably not. But, gotta pack up, put my drone stuff in there, and should be good to go. We are almost to the trailhead. I have never done this hike before, especially alone. There's been a high number of bear attacks in the last couple of years, so we got this guy as the protection, and we got the dogs. So hopefully they'll be able to sniff something out. Yep, and the bait. So hopefully they'll be able to sniff something out. And yeah, we'll see how it goes with the out of shape dogs and the parents. Try to go get some cool footage. So we just started on the trailhead, and first part should be pretty tough, so we'll have to see how it goes. We're about 2 minutes into the hike. If you're unfamiliar, we are at this Beehive Basin trailhead right around Big Sky, Montana, which is where we live. It's about a 20-minute drive from the house, but I've never done it before, so should be a really cool area. Just got to find some good spots to get the drones in the air. Taking a little bit of a break here. Dad's got a loose pole. I'm gonna let some people pass us as well, get some water, and continue on. Coming across some very steep cutbacks over here, and quite frankly, Dad might be turning around up here. We're gonna see if we can get him through it though. Just got some good drone footage, and gonna land it, give Dad a break, and just keep moving up. We're still moving. Dad's making it up just fine. If I pan over here, you can see Lone Peak there in the background. Biggest ski resort in North America. Just pretty cool. Mom, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
So we're just gonna keep trucking along. So we're taking a little bit of a break here. We're nearing the top of the hill. Get some good shade here, and it's a little breezy, but
These trails are not fat boy friendly.
there you go. And yeah, we're making good progress, and got some good drone footage along the way. So just gonna keep on moving after this little break and keep going. As we got to the top here, feeling a little bit of raindrops coming down. As you can see, some nasty looking clouds there, so we're just gonna have to see how that turns out. But it's not gonna stop us. We're just gonna keep on going. After a little bit of a break, we seem to be approaching the lake, which is right under those mountains over there. Dad is still with us, and it's sprinkling rain a little bit. as you can see in the clouds behind me. We may be having to take shelter in a little bit, but get into the lake. Just had our lunch break, and it's time for the dad and the dogs to turn back. Dad, how'd you feel?
Good.
We are approaching the destination. We're dealing with one last big push up this hill, and it's raining pretty good, so I'm thinking that we're gonna have to camp out and wait to get the drones up in the air, but we're making it, and yeah, it's been good so far.
Here we go.
We are camping out under some trees, and it is hailing. No blue sky in sight. We are 4 or 5 miles up in the mountains, and the lake is just up there. But we are just camping out for now, aren't we? So, whew, this is it for us for now. Well, we're approaching the lake finally, after the sun came up a little bit. The rain might not be over, but whew, we made it. We made it. Whew. Time to get the drones up in the air, see what we can make. Packing up and leaving the Beehive Basin, top of the trailhead. Ended up getting some really good drone footage, so I'm excited to put that together, but unfortunately my DJI FPV drone lost connection over the mountains up there, and was not able to return it. So that's kind of a bummer, but that's what warranties are for. But yeah, I'm excited to put all the footage together, and yeah, we'll see what we got. It's time to start the trek down, and we'll see you guys at the bottom. The dogs finally made it back to the truck, and yeah, looking forward to getting home and looking over the footage. And yeah, what a crazy adventure, eh, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yeah. Beehive Basin, Montana. Come check it out. Super pretty, worth it. Try not to lose any drones like I did.